Hello guys and gals, this is your conductor engineer Roy. Alright, why are we making a video of the beast? This is why. Okay, if you look at the back here, we took off the bumper that we had on here with little lights, and we created this one. This here is a new bumper right here, but it's not a bumper, it's something else. Boop. All right, let's turn it back around here backwards, get it away from us a little bit. We made outriggers. We have the holder for it, and we got the outriggers, and all they do is, if I can do it right, they slide right in like this, and like that, and there you have it. You have the outriggers. What can we do with them? We can put them away. Look at that. Okay, there you go. They're put away, and goodbye. How about that? I made my own little outriggers. I think that's pretty cool. All right, you say, what did you make them out of? I had some. I don't know what you call this stuff. I got it. Okay, it's plastic stuff you build houses and stuff with. All right, so this is small, whatever size it is, and I took it and I took two pieces. Two of these, I cut them. If you go to Cranberry Valley Railroad and join my my page, you can see what I done. I got pictures there that shows how I did it. But I don't always have the patience to sit down here and try to think about how I'm going to do something and then videotape it. I just don't have the patience for it. But anyhow, two of these cut about that size. I think it was an inch and eighth, and you glue both of them together, and then you take one piece. This here, I cut this piece for you to see, right there. Cut that piece off from the tube or whatever you call it. I cut that piece off, and I actually placed it on top of the two pieces that were together, so I'd have something to glue it to. Now, if you look under here, you can see it's see it right there where the two pieces are together. Let me take this out. You see where the two pieces of styrene are put together, and then I cut that little sliver and put it on top. So that piece that's on top actually sticks to the bottom of the rig. And then with the room that you have, I had to move the tire, take the axle and move it up a little bit, so it looks a little funky. But in order for you to put the outriggers on the way I think, and make these stay on without falling off like that, that's what I came up with. Now, if somebody else has another idea, we can also take it back off, because it does come off even though it's glued on with crazy glue, and we'll take it back off and do something different. But I think they're pretty cool. And the little feet, the little pads, I made them from junk. I got two junk drawers. This is called Detail, and there's another one up in the cabinet. I got a bunch of cabinets up there. There's stuff up there and stuff all up in here. Plus I got stuff all over here in all these drawers in the Chinese dishes. So there we go. That's the outriggers for the beast. And we'll just put them back on there. One on that side. Now notice this piece here I just had laying around. If you can see how it's shaped, it has a little groove, like one side's higher than the other, which I don't think it makes any difference. Even if you had this same tubing, you could make it happen. You know, you just cut it and make it fit. Like this piece right here, with this piece cut off, right there, that piece cut off, you can still make it slide somehow, you know. So there's different ways of doing stuff. So we'll put this back in. Our outrigger. I'm sorry. I was looking at the truck and I don't even know how to edit this stuff either. So anyway, there we go. Put it back in. And there you go. Push that one in. Push that one in. And as you can tell, they really don't touch the ground. See, they don't touch the ground. They can actually float with the truck, which is what you want. If you want to roll the truck, you wouldn't want them to be touching the ground. So that's it for today. I had a good time making these outriggers, and as always, you guys have a great day. What I say, enjoy.